a familiar face at every turn, watching the kids grow up together. Block parties that go on long after the sun goes down, just because they can. That's small town living. Welcome to Grange, a new community by award-winning developer Johnson Development. Grange will be 1,130 acres of homes, amenities, green space, and more in Katy, near Interstate 10 and the Grand Parkway. 4 guiding principles are the heartbeat of Grange. Embrace family and Friday night football. Celebrate nature. Create moments and memories and be aspirational and emotive. Fun will be around every corner with amenities that change. There's nothing to do to what to do first. Simply put, life will be a little sweeter in Grange, and it's headed your way.